Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play VTOL VR on your Oculus Quest 3 with no PC needed. So first step is you're going to install Pluto Sphere. Go to the Meta Quest store and search for Pluto Sphere. And it's a cloud gaming app made for VR users. Download and install it on your Quest 3, and then Pluto Sphere allows you to connect to a high-end virtual PC through the internet, so you don't need your own gaming rig. Next, you're going to create an account. Once installed, open Pluto Sphere and make an account. You will need an internet connection with at least 50 Mbps download speed and a 5 GHz Wi-Fi or gigahertz Wi-Fi network for best performance. Pluto Sphere runs on a token system, meaning you pay for playtime, kind of like an internet cafe. Tokens usually start at around $4, so it's affordable to try. Next is you're going to connect your Steam account. After setting up, log into your Steam account inside Pluto Sphere. This gives you access to your existing VR games like VTOL VR, Half-Life Alyx, or anything you already own. Next is you're going to launch VTOL VR. Once your cloud PC is active, you're just going to have to install VTOL VR from your Steam library. After the installation is done, just click play and everything happens inside your Quest headset. No PC, no cables, and no hassle. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.